here and share a light story with you guys of the type of abuse that I went through. And this isn't going to be about physical, this is going to be about the verbal abuse that I went through, because I went through both physical, mental, and verbal abuse. And I have a 6-year-old autistic special needs daughter, and we break generational curses, we don't repeat them. But in the mirror as a child, my mom used to ask me why I was in the mirror because I was ugly. She would tell me, and my daughter is the same age that I was that my mom started doing these things to me. You understand? So when I look at my daughter, I could cry. I could cry, bro, thinking of these things. Because the thought of me bullying my own kid, I don't understand why women are jealous of their own daughters. I don't understand why women don't want to uplift their daughters and make them feel like they're the best thing walking. Because I'm not that. So back to the story. My mom used to tell me, why are you in the mirror? You're ugly. You have buck teeth. Look at your ears. And this is a woman who I thought was the most beautiful person in the world. But now that I'm an adult, I know that she's ugly, inside and out. And the fact that she could bully a 4, 5, 6-year-old little girl, telling a little girl that she's ugly and she ain't never gonna be nothing up until I was 18 years old, doing these types of things to me, is sick. Boo, tomatoes, boo, you're a trash mom. You ain't my mom, okay? You ain't my mom. And that's the difference. We break curses, we don't repeat them. And the craziest thought to me is you would never know these things because I exude so much confidence. I exude so much independence, so much beauty that you would never know that my mom did these things to me, but I never believed the things she said because I knew better.